Alright, so right now I'm doing the airsoft review on the R60 M4A1 by Airsplat. And just a quick... Yo man, is this my script? I'm supposed to read this? I can't... Okay, alright. There's like 50 pages in here. This is not an airsoft review. What is... How does 50... Are you put like one word on every page? What is... Alright, yeah, you know what? No, it's not gonna happen. Alright, so anyway, quick overview on the gun. It's a very high performance gun, and it's good. It's good for beginners, and it's got God, why did I read that? It's 390 FPS, so that's pretty good for a rifle. 390 to 400 FPS, so that's pretty good. It's got God, why did I write that? It takes a small type battery. Your 8.4 volt battery. Just put it in your handguard, and you also takes your 12 GBBs camo ammo. Yeah. So anyway, just a quick, and let's start with the airsoft review. Okay, so stock is a 4-position adjustable stock, and it's got your plastic sling mount right here, and it comes with a attachable sling, obviously. This part of the stock is metal, and when you pull your charging handle, it reveals your hop up and sights. The carrying handle is removable, and the sights are adjustable. You can adjust them like that or like that, and you can also remove the carrying handle. I'm not going to do it right now. It's got your rear sights and your front sights right there. And gosh, why did I do that? It has got the fire selector is not ambidextrous. You've got safe, semi, and auto. And your clip release is not ambidextrous either. So you got your high capacity 350 magazine, carries 350 bullets. It's high capacity, so you gotta wind it up. And your handguard is plastic, and it doesn't have any rail systems on it. No rail systems, and it carries your battery in it. Your 8.4 volt battery. You plug it in right here, and then the hardest part of getting the battery in is trying to like fit it in there, because I've had some complaints about how people can't fit the battery in there. But and then onto the barrel, the blazing orange flash hider. I've tried everything to get this off. Like, I slammed against my house for like 5 hours, as you can see from the deformation. But all in all, it's a pretty good gun. I mean, I have no problem with it. Do you? I don't know. Why don't you leave some comments? Yeah. Alright, I'm leaving now. So right now, I just finished the airsoft review up inside the house, and I am walking out to my primary firing range to do the shooting test. The problem is it's really dark, I mean, I don't even know if you can see, but I'm flashing my gun in front of the camera right now. Oh, you can see the pool now. It's really dark. I don't know what's gonna happen though. We're on our way out there though, so let's see. Alrighty. So here we are at the primary fire. Stop it! As you can see, this is a very powerful gun when used in close range. But maybe I can take another firing test tomorrow in daylight. That hurt. As you can see from my first firing test, it didn't go so great. But luckily I'm retaking the firing test at my secondary firing range in the driveway. And hopefully I won't shoot myself this time. Because as you can see, I have not healed since last night. But let's get on with the firing test. So, when I get to the firing range, I'm going to fire 10 shots downrange to show you how accurate the gun is. I'm going to set the camera right by the target so you can see all the shots that I take. If I hit the camera, don't be surprised. I'm not the best shot in Airsoft. As of now, I am firing at the target. As you can see from the shots I've just took, this is a very accurate gun. It's not really any spread shot, it's all in one spot. Those two that I shot that were down there was just lousy aim. With the gun pointed right at it, the bullseye, I'm sure it would hit at all times. But other than that, it is a very high performance gun, and I recommend it to many airsofters. Goodbye for now.